A goblet squat is great for when you're starting out and are trying to learn squat form, but holding the weight in your hands out front limits how heavy you can go. If there comes a time you're ready to go heavier, you could consider trying a front squat. Like a goblet squat, the weight is in front, providing counterbalance and making it easier to go deeper without compromising form. Unlike a goblet squat, more of your body helps support the weight, which enables you to go heavier. A front squat is traditionally done with a barbell. This isn't a barbell, by the way. This is just a bar that I use for my resistance bands, but you get the idea. For some people though, doing a front squat with a barbell is hard on the wrists due to the wrist extension. In addition, I'm trying to make strength training feel less intimidating, and if you're new to strength training or if you work out at home, a barbell just may feel a little out of reach right now. So the good news is you can do a front squat with dumbbells. Take your dumbbells, place one end of each dumbbell on your shoulder, the other end points forward, as do your elbows. Then just remember your cues that you learned from your goblet squat. They all still apply here. Set your feet slightly wider than hip distance. Depending on your anatomy, you may want to turn your knees and your toes out slightly. You're going to keep your shoulder blades drawing together and down your back, your core engaged as you slowly and with control lower, keeping your back straight, no rounding, no butt wink, tucking your butt underneath you. Then exhale, push through your heels, stand tall, and make sure that your knees continue to point in the same direction as your feet throughout the entire movement. For reference, I said that a front squat you can do heavier weight with. In my demo for the goblet squat, I used a 25-pound dumbbell, and here I'm using two 20-pound dumbbells. So it's easier to do that heavier weight because your shoulders are holding some of it, as opposed to trying to hold it all in front here for a goblet squat. So that's a dumbbell front squat. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments.